78 years since its founding, 종근당 contributes to improved quality of life and public welfare by developing quality medicines based on their management philosophy, better life through better medicine. Back in the 1960s, when Korea imported 100% of the raw materials required for medicines from abroad, we built Korea's largest plants for chemical synthesis and fermentation, making it possible to produce pharmaceutical ingredients locally using our own technology. Furthermore, we became the first Korean pharmaceutical company to export products, chloramphenicol, to the markets in the US and Japan through obtainment of the US FDA approval. Cognizant of the importance of drug discovery, 종근당 was the first in Korea to run its own research institute. It also invested a huge portion of its resources in nurturing and training research manpower. Newly appointed chairman, Lee Jong-han, set off on striving to make 종근당 a world-class pharmaceutical company. Particularly, their new research institute for new drugs laid the foundation for global new drug development. Thanks to persistent R&D efforts in new drug development, 종근당 developed its first new drug, Camtobel, a camptothecin-derived anti-cancer drug for treatment of small cell lung cancer and ovarian cancer. This earned for our research institute the designation of Anti-Cancer R&D Center from the Ministry of Health and Welfare. 종근당 is expanding its expertise by advancing its drug candidates, CKD-516 and CKD-581 for cancer indications, into the clinical trials. CKD-516 is an anti-cancer treatment targeting tumor blood vessels. Its Phase 1 clinical trial is ongoing in combination therapy, and Phase 3 clinical trial will conduct this year. CKD-581, a targeted agent inhibiting proliferation of cancer cells, began Phase 1 clinical trial for combination therapy. Duvier, a PPAR agonist discovered and developed by 종근당, has been approved in 2013 and is expected to effectively treat type 2 diabetes with low insulin sensitivity. We were honored to receive the award for the grand prize of the 15th Korea's New Drug Development in 2014. As a newly emerging therapy for anti-immune disease, CKD-506 is under Phase 2 clinical trial in Europe for rheumatoid arthritis patients and a treatment for Huntington's disease. CKD-504 is under Phase 1 clinical trial in the US and in Korea. Second-generation CETP inhibitor, CKD-508, is in late-stage preclinical development to treat dyslipidemia. It lowers the risk of cardiovascular disorders, including arteriosclerosis, by reducing LDL cholesterol level. 종근당 is also showing an excellent performance in research for incrementally modified drugs. In 2016, CKD launched Duvimet, an incrementally modified drug that combines the effective ingredients of Duvier and metformin that developed independently. By successfully developing the formula technology to overcome the characteristics of two drugs with varying administration methods, we provide diabetic patients with a convenient of the administration. In recognition of the excellence, we were given the New Drugs Development Technology Award at the 18th Korea's New Drug Development Award in 2017. Telmi Nuvo, a complex drug for treating high blood pressure, successfully registered patent for medicines improvement technology first in the industry in 2017. Increased stability to moisture enabled convenient bottle packaging for administration, and this ultimately led to increased drug compliance of patients. In 2018, in an acknowledgement of the excellence of the technology, we were awarded the Jongyung-shul Award. Furthermore, 종근당 achieved significant accomplishments in biopharmaceutical research area, which is regarded as one of the major drivers of the future pharmaceutical industry. In 2012, 종근당 built its own bioplants to produce various medicine including biosimilars, new biologics. CKD has received sales approval for its second-generation anemia biosimilar, Nesbel. After a success of Phase 3 clinical trial by making use of the generic engineering technology. In recognition of development technology, the company received the Industrial Technology of the Month Award in 2015 and the Technological Export Award at the 17th Korea's New Drug Development Award in 2016. CKD 701 is a biosimilar drug of Lucentis, and its Phase 3 clinical trial is conducting for macular degeneration and diabetic macular edema patients to evaluate parity with the original treatment. CKD 702 is the first biopharmaceutical of CKD that provides bispecific antibody inhibiting two types of cell receptors simultaneously, in acknowledgement of the potentials as a global innovative drug countering drug resistance. It's selected for Korea drug development funding by Trans-Governmental Enterprise in 2017. Moreover, Jonggundang has a linguistal technology as a platform technology for sustained release injection. The safety of linguistal technology applied on CKD 841 is verified by preclinical study, and it is currently under clinical trial. "78 years history of Jonggundang. Jonggundang, one of Korea's major pharmaceutical companies, opened new CKD Research Institute in the outskirts of Seoul as a driving force for the company in becoming the global leader in pharmaceuticals. In an era of global competition, since the importance of new drug development capabilities is growing, Jonggundang has been annually investing over 10% of its total sales in R&D. CKD Research Institute is characterized by 3 independent laboratories: the Technology Development Labs, dedicated to generic drugs, APIs, and botanical drugs, the New Drug Discovery Labs for identifying innovative drug candidates, and the Bioresearch Labs for developing antibodies and recombinant proteins. For its achievements in the development of excellent medicines, Jonggundang has gained the glory of being chosen again as an innovative pharmaceutical company in 2018. From now on, CKD Research Institute will write new chapters in Korea's new drug development history and serve as a global powerhouse. To create a happier world for better life, and to fulfill the dreams of mankind for health. Jonggundang will continue to take on the challenge.